Hey guys, Jim at Blackie Tie Motors here. We just want to take a few minutes to talk about hardware packs versus pre-installed hardware. Now on some of these here, on these headlight kits, we've had emails, people asking where the hardware is, and a lot of it comes pre-installed. There's a couple reasons for this. One, all of the lenses are drilled specifically to the part. So we'll cut the lenses, and then we'll mark the lens specifically to each individual part. So A, we know it all fits when we put it together. B, we know all the hardware is there, and it makes it real easy for the end user when they're installing them. They don't have to sort out what hardware goes where. It's not like a hardware pack where you have to take everything out of the hardware pack, you got to sort it all out, make sure it's all there. If it's all pre-installed, you know you've got it all. Granted, these still have to come off. The plastic cover still has to come off of the acrylic lenses, but you know it's all there. You have to pull it off to adjust your lights anyway. Obviously, this one doesn't have the lights in it. We also have mounting hardware on the back side. We have brackets, anything like this that can be pre-installed. It will be pre-installed when it's sent out. Other things will come with hardware packs. Some of them will have hardware packs. There'll be a direction sheet that goes with stuff. Some of it's fairly self-explanatory, but like I'm saying, anywhere we can have pre-installed hardware, you know it's there, you know it's all where it needs to be, you don't have to wonder about that, and you know everything fits together correctly like it's supposed to be. So there's a quick 2-minute thing of why we do pre-installed hardware everywhere we can, but we also supply hardware packs as necessary. So remember, keep those rotors spinning, and we'll talk to you later.